In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use our new document upload feature powered by Carbon. Start by opening a conversation with the consultant you want to discuss your document with. Click the Upload button at the bottom left of the window and then select the Upload with Carbon button that appears. In the pop-up window, you can choose your upload method. We'll go over these options shortly, but let's begin with device uploads by clicking Upload Files. In the next window, click Add More Files at the top right. Then, select Click to Upload to open the file browser. Choose your file from the file browser, click Open, and then click Submit to upload it. Once your file is processed, you'll see a screen where you can add instructions. These instructions will be sent along with your document if you choose. After a moment, you'll see a summary of your document in the conversation window. This indicates that your document has been successfully uploaded and is now ready for your consultant to review. In this example, I'll simply request a summary of the document so we can move on to the other available upload methods. Before we move on, let's go over how to delete or resync a file you've uploaded using Carbon. Return to Carbon and select the upload method you used for the document you want to manage. You'll see that the file you uploaded previously is now listed under Synced Files. Click the checkbox next to the document, and the options to resync and delete will appear at the bottom of the pop-up. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click it to proceed. This process is the same for the other upload methods as well. Next, let's see how to upload a document from your Dropbox. First, go to the Carbon menu and select Dropbox. If this is your first time using Dropbox with Carbon, you'll be prompted to connect your account. Once your account is connected, click Select Files from Dropbox and choose the document you want to upload. After selecting your document, return to Olympia, and you should see that the document is now processing. For this document, I'll add some instructions to show you how it works. Simply type your instructions in the provided field. Once the document is processed, your instructions will be sent as a prompt, and your consultant will start working on it right away. Finally, let's go over how to upload files from your Google Drive. Return to the Carbon menu and select Google Drive. If this is your first time, follow the prompts to connect your Google account. With Google Drive, you don't need to click Select Files from Google Drive. Just go back to the Olympia tab and click Add More Files. Select a file from your drive and click Upload, and the file will start processing immediately. To wrap up, let's discuss how to disconnect a connected account and manage your uploaded documents. To disconnect an account from Carbon, go to the Carbon menu, select the account you want to disconnect, and click the gear icon at the top of the pop-up. You'll see options to disconnect or resync your account there. Finally, to manage your uploaded files on Olympia, click the ellipsis menu at the bottom left of the Olympia dashboard and select File Uploads. On the following page, you'll find a library of all your uploaded documents. Here, you can delete files or pin them to context. Pinning documents ensures that your AI team can refer to their contents throughout your interactions, maintaining context and continuity. That covers everything you need to know about uploading documents and managing your files using Carbon on Olympia. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out via the support link in the description of this video.